imason connects people to the information they need wherever they are in the world. Our enterprise mobility practice delivers secure mobile apps on Android, iOS, and Windows. Our knowledge management practice focuses on SharePoint and Office 365, and our CRM Dynamics practice helps customers make better relationship connections with their data. We develop a wide range of applications. So if you go into a bank in Canada and ask a teller to stop payment on a check, chances are that they look the answer to that question up in a system that we've delivered. Or if you walk into a Subaru dealership in Canada and look to buy a car, the tablet that salesperson has in their hands runs an app that we built that connects them to the information they need to provide a better selling experience to you. The Carbon Accounting Company delivers carbon tracking systems to the world. If you look at the hotel industry, there are quite a few hotel chains that leverage their technology so that they can understand the carbon impact of their hotel chain right down to individual hotel properties. They've been a customer for a long time of ours, and I wanted to go back to them and look for opportunities to deliver more value. I knew that the hosting component of our solution was a weak link, and I felt that Azure would be a great opportunity to lower the cost for the ongoing hosting option in the solution. My challenge was, I don't have a way to deliver Azure predictably. We don't build infrastructure solutions at imason, we deliver solutions. So how do I go to market, find a partner that can manage the Azure piece for me and condense the problem down to a simple, here's how much it costs per month, and for that money, we will run the system for you, we will provide a 24/7 help desk, we will manage the solution, we will monitor it, and we will patch it over time.
Companies like imason are taking their business solutions and their expertise at that level and trying to figure out how to deliver it as a service to their customers, which is how their customers want to buy. So they have great solutions and great depth of expertise at the application level, but there's a gap when you have great expertise in an application and your customers expect it to be up on a 7/24 basis.
I struck up a conversation with Brian at Infrastructure Guardian and presented him with the challenge. His team put together the solution that we use.
We have 3 categories of service offerings. Financial governance, so that you understand where your money's going and what each customer costs for you to deliver your service. That breaks down into advisory services, so that we can help you with anything you need help with on the infrastructure layer, security layer, performance tuning your applications in the cloud, and into operational support.
Nobody at imason works at 3 o'clock in the morning. If you call me for help, you won't get anything other than a busy signal. If you call the Infrastructure Guardian team at 3 o'clock in the morning, someone will pick up the phone and they'll service the customer, help them understand what the problem might be, and remediate it, all without a call to imason. That delivers value to me. I don't need to build an expensive line of business, and it delivers value to the Carbon Accounting Company because they have professionals engaged at any time of the day helping them solve problems if they come up.
And that allows them to offer their customer a solution that's always up, always healthy, allows us to deliver them great performance metrics to fix anything that goes wrong right away, and allows them to morph their business so that they now go from handing over a solution to a monthly recurring revenue and a constant customer relationship.
It's great working with partners like Infrastructure Guardian because they are a leader in cloud technology and offering their services to our partners in their transition to the cloud. They've had a huge amount of success in onboarding a number of cloud service providers, monitor, scale, leverage our Azure cloud without having to worry about infrastructure or service levels.
As New Signature, we've spent years helping enterprise customers build the required infrastructure and run their line of business applications. When Microsoft moved to the cloud, we invested early and we invested very heavily in understanding and building their cloud technologies. So when we work with a partner like imason, we're able to share those investments and those experiences to really help them grow their business.
We partner now more than we ever have. Partnering is key because it allows us to scale quickly and solve problems at a much faster rate than we would otherwise be able to solve. In the Carbon Accounting Company example, we leverage Infrastructure Guardian closely, and they do a key piece of the solution that we wouldn't have otherwise been able to deliver. We built a solution and a reference that we can now take to market for other customers that have similar problems like that one.